Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to upload videos on YouTube 2026, a beginner's guide. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. You're new to YouTube and you're not sure how you would go about uploading a video on the platform. It's quite easy to get this done actually. All you need to do is actually have a YouTube account. If you do not have a YouTube account, just log on to www.youtube.com, and then at the profile icon, they might not be a profile icon, it might be a sign in or sign up option at the top right. So you can simply click on that sign up and simply sign up for YouTube. In this case, I already have an account, so I do not need to sign up. Rather, it would be to sign in or sign out, as the case may be. All right, so after you've created your account, just make sure you're logged into the correct account. Make sure you take note of the information displayed on your screen. Once you have done that, just go ahead and click on the upload button. So you can directly upload from the YouTube platform. You can directly click on upload and it would upload, or you simply click on the profile icon, which will then lead you to your dashboard. So you can simply click on the profile icon and just select YouTube Studios, and it will take you to this part of the website, which is the YouTube Studios. Now on here, all you need to do is just head over to upload videos, click on upload, go ahead and click on upload videos, click on select files, and you can simply upload a video to YouTube. Let's just say I want to upload a short video, something like this. It's gonna go ahead and begin uploading my video to YouTube, but you need to take note of a few things, such as the title and description of your video. As you can see here, the title and description are entered automatically, but you may need to remove or edit this title, which you can easily do by just highlighting the title and deleting it and re-entering what you need or what you want. And then in terms of the description, you can also enter a description of your choice. The description is based off of what you're trying to do. I would suggest you use SEO optimized descriptions so that way your video tends to stand out when it's being searched for. All right, so don't forget a title, a description that is, SEO optimized. Make sure your titles are clear and specific. Include SEO keywords or specific keywords, and always keep it under 60 characters. Nobody wants to read a long title. And in terms of the description, explain what your video is about and also add links if necessary, and write just 2 to 3 lines. Try to keep your description short if you can, but if it's going to be a tutorial of sorts, it is good to include timestamps. It is good to include extra information that would benefit the viewers. All right, and now the next thing is thumbnail. So as you can see, the thumbnail section just exists here. All you need to do is just click on the plus to upload a file, and you can begin uploading your thumbnail. Just click on the plus and it would upload your thumbnail from your gallery or your file explorer if you're on Windows. And you can also use the auto generated version, which is just YouTube's way of using ChatGPT. But in order to do this, you have to unlock more. So to add custom thumbnails, you're going to have to verify a few things. I'm not going to be doing that right now, but basically that is how it's done. You can always click on upload thumbnail and upload it, and then make sure you use clear text and images and do not confuse the viewers on your thumbnail. Make sure your thumbnail is straight to the point. You know, it's either a rage bait or clickbait that would make people actually want to watch your content. All right, so moving forward, we also have the choosing of your audience. So make sure you select what kind of audience is going to be viewing this. You can find this when you head over to the details, scroll to the bottom. You can now select who it is for, if it's for kids or if it's for adults. You can enter those specifics and then add tags if you want. So there's a section where you can simply add tags to your YouTube upload. So you can actually add tags to your video, and then you can add video elements like an end screen, a subscribe button, and chapters, cards. These help with the engagement, but they are not requirements for a successful video. All right, so moving on, we also have setting up your visibility and publishing. So every video has its visibility. When you set it as public, everyone can see it. it's in the upload menu. When you want to upload a video, you'd see the visibility section there. Unlisted is for links alone, and then private means you're the only one who gets to see it. So you can keep working on your video while it's uploaded onto YouTube, and then once you're done, you can just switch it over to public, and it will be readily available for everyone else. All right. And some few tips you can try as a beginner. Please upload consistently. Don't overthink your first video. Just post, and then focus on clear audio. Clear audio is the key to retaining viewers. So make sure your audio is as clear as it can be. And then last but not least, improve with each upload. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.